Let's set up the camera to record. First, turn the camera on using the switch. Then, enter the settings menu by pressing the button on the rear, the one with the 3 horizontal lines. The first screen you'll see is the Record Options screen. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera records in 2 professional high-grade resolution formats. Remember that options change depending on which codec and format you use. You'll notice that each settings tab has multiple pages. Tap the right arrow on the Record Options screen. This is where you can adjust further settings. Let's use the Film Dynamic Range preset and 24 frames per second. Since our kits have high-capacity SSDs, choose External Drive. On the 3rd page of the Record Options, there are also some more specialized settings. Make sure Apply LUT in File is turned off. Next, we have the Monitor tab. The 3 main categories are LCD, which applies settings to the built-in viewfinder screen, HDMI, with the same settings for use with an external monitor, and both, for some other options that apply to both outputs. On this first screen, you can enable your Zebra tool, Focus Assist, grid lines, and safe margins. With the HDMI output, you may desire a clean feed for your director's monitor. Under the Both tab, we have Frame Guide and Focus Assist adjustments for when we want to enable those options. On the 2nd page of options, you can adjust your grid lines, such as using a rule of thirds overlay. In the Setup tab, you can adjust your file date and time, as well as other specialized options. Make sure the flicker-free shutter setting is set to 60 Hz.